Bro. I miss being single. Oh.
Now you talk that one. I miss pressing remote without asking permission.
Guy. Yesterday I sneezed. Just sneeze. Why wife said, go wash the plates since you have energy.
That one is small thing. Me, I cough once. She brought broom. Said it will help me cough out laziness.
Ah, you they suffer too? I thought it was only me.
My brother, we all married the same woman with different names.
But low-key shock. When she traveled for 2 days, I almost cried.
Me too. I hugged her like she came back from war.
So, we're finished, Abby?
Finished with love.